bananas, you say peppers, and it is a video like we have not done in a very long time. Can you guys guess what video it is today? Well, you probably can, just based on the title. Sometimes I forget that the title is not a surprise. Sippy sippy. Let's get sassy. Today we are doing a Reborn unboxing. A strange hybrid creature lives in this box and he's trapped in there. Wake up, little buddy. This doll comes from an artist that you guys have been tagging me in their videos a ton. I think that they just got on TikTok. I have been following them for quite a while on Instagram, and their shop is called Acid Patch Dolls. They sculpt all their own creatures and they are just so amazing and unique. And a couple years ago, they even made me a custom creature based on one of my favorite episodes of The Outer Limits ever. It's called Moonstone. Just amazing creations. And this doll in particular is called Berry, and like I have no idea why. Not like berry, like raspberry, I just plucked a fresh little berry off the vine, but berry, as in like my name is Barry. All right, unboxing camera. And it is on its last leg, you guys, the unboxing camera. Well, the camera is fine, but the tripod, you guys, ow! See the tripod? It's like, it's collapsing. I taped this flyer that TikTok sent me for Halloween last year over the top of the box because it had their address all over it. You guys can see all the sprinkling of debris on the floor, all past unboxings that we've done recently. If I'm gonna be honest, I have not cleaned this room in approximately probably like 2 or 3 weeks. Slicing. Speaking of which, I'm about to film a Swamp Family mail video, and then I think we should do another mail challenge. I know we've talked about that for a long time here on this channel, and I think that we should do it. Hello, Acid Patch Dolls. I'm gonna freeze frame that just in case you guys want to read all the information. I will link their Etsy shop in the info box down below. I almost forgot what that's called. So here is a sticker. This is so cute. Worms. Oh my God, it's been so long since I've had worms. Make a wish. I almost threw them back behind me. That would be such a bad idea because there is an open burning flame back there. Can you imagine worms? Worms right into the open fire. Worms, worms, worms. I have to be like less. Oh my God. You guys, I just threw something. I got too excited for the worm. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, I see it. I see it down there and I hope I didn't break it. Hello. Oh, hopefully not broken. Not broken. Not broken. Looks not broken. It's full of charms. Ew, these are cute. God, can you guys hear my stomach growling? It's like 11 o'clock and we haven't had dinner yet. 11 o'clock at night. We have a gummy bear. I'm gonna assume it's a gummy bear because they all look like candies. Ew, this one like feels genuinely like kind of gummy. It feels interesting. I like it. It's a lollipop. Then we have a Boba Drink. Oh my God, look at the little straw. The straw is bendy. You guys, I feel like I can only do like one camera angle at a time because I'm just utterly blocking off my face up here. Then we have, oh, it's like a minty beverage. You guys, all of this, it's like a minty soda with whipped cream. It looks like a float. And then we have, oh, this is definitely a gummy bear. Now I'm wondering if the other green bear was also a gummy bear, but look at that. It's like glittery, kind of clear. We have this, which is like a heart, a gummy heart, a cinnamon heart, you decide. And then this, which just says sweet. And it's like pink, purple, and white. So pretty. So pretty. Go ahead and like get all the other items out of here, and then I'm gonna get this box out of the way. And let's, oh, felt like my extension just flew out, but it didn't. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this small little item because I think this is the doll, so I'm trying to like save the best for last. So let's unbox this, although this feels kind of squishy too. Is it a doll for the doll? But look, he's in a little like brown blanket. So cute. What are you? Okay, this definitely feels squishy. Is it? Oh my god! It's a little cow! And I'm wearing like my cow print dress. Oh my god, it's like perfect. Oh, you guys, I do not know how they make their dolls, but the powdery finish is so amazing. And I've had the other doll that they made for me for quite a while now, and I've never had to repowder it. I talk about that a lot. That's like kind of one of my lesser favorite aspects of Reborn dolls sometimes, is they will start to get sticky sometimes. Like the silicone will start to get sticky and then you have to like powder them. If not, like every little bit of hair, every eyelash that's stray and blowing around in your house will attach itself to like your avatar baby. But however these dolls are made, they just always stay powdery smooth. And look, the little tiny mouth even opens. Oh my god, look at it, it's so cute. Okay, I love it, I love it. It's so, I love the creatures. That's the Reborn dolls that I'm into collecting. I love the creatures, the hybrids, the cow people. I've never seen a cow Reborn doll either. That's so unique. Hello, Barry. Blue cloth. There we go. Hello. Oh, you can see the little purple hand. Hello, Barry. Welcome to the world. Ta-da. Ta-da. Oh, look. So adorable. Almost looks like a ball jointed doll that I've collected in the past. Did you guys see that video? Maybe not, because I did make it like a million years ago at this point. But I got a ball jointed doll that was like a purple cat person, and it was like kind of the same energy, but look at how squishy. Look at how adorable. I think she described it as like a bunny person, and I can definitely see why, but like, oh my god. So first of all, one of the things that I love, which I got to pick like the color of the body, and I sent like a reference picture of another doll that they had made that I absolutely loved. And you guys know that I love the look of glitter. I love glitter like stuck inside of stuff so that the glitter can't hurt me. And that is exactly what is in here. Look at the sporkle. So beautiful. Sporkle, sporkle. Glitter like encased in the doll so that we get this beautiful sparkly effect. Once again, super, super soft. Like, look at how squishy. It's so adorable. And also like the mouth is open, and it seems like it would be the perfect size, which I don't have one right now, and I definitely wish that I did. I had some Reborns before that were like itty bitty, and they came with a teeny tiny little bottle, and then I filmed a TikTok with the bottle, and I put like green food coloring in it because I was doing like a baby Shrek TikTok video, and I ended up throwing that teeny tiny bottle away because the food coloring was like constantly seeping out of the bottle and like staining everything that it touched. And so I was just like nervous to keep it because I was scared that the green food coloring would like get on the dolls, because it would definitely stain the dolls permanently, which would not be cute. Look at how adorable. Also, I think that he glows in the dark. I think that that is also one of the customizations that was an option that I asked for. So I'm gonna leave him sitting out for a while in the super bright filming light, and if he does glow, I will insert a magical glowing clip. I definitely think that these dolls are perfect if you're looking for something that is just really pocket-sized and calming. Pink eyeballs. so realistic, like the glass eyes, like I don't even think it's like coming through on camera, like how cool it is. Also, I feel like there's like a whole world to Reborns that are this size, where I've seen a lot of people like really dive down into the clothes and outfits. Like I feel like this doll, the size would also be perfect if you like doing like the prop kind of stuff. I feel like for some of the American Girl doll accessories, or like My Life or Our Generation, like the ones that we've been doing recently, right? You know what? I have the toilet right here. Maybe, no, you know what? He's kind of like baby Shrek sized. So honestly, too tiny for the toilet. Look, I feel like, especially if I took the little ring off, so that it wouldn't be a keychain anymore. I mean, look at that. Perfectly sized. So maybe doll house miniatures would be perfect. Mini brands? How am I in this room right now and I don't have a single mini brand? Huge thank you to Jennifer over at Acid Patch Dolls for sending me these adorable little babies. I had no idea that the little tiny cow was even coming. And yeah, I mean, this also would just be a perfect little pocket-sized thing that is just like so, I mean, obviously like you can't like maybe be as rough on these kinds of little guys as you would like just a normal squishy or like a stress keychain, because obviously too cute to like rip them up or damage them. But yeah, I mean, just if you wanted to keep a little something in your pocket, like would anybody else do that? I don't know. And like I said, like just the work is just so beautiful, and it just feels like so, like I can't even begin to describe, well, I can begin to describe it, and I will. It's like a powdery, like it feels powdery, but like you're not getting any powder on your hand, but it just feels like powdery soft. Like almost if you were to open up like setting powder or something, makeup, and like stick your finger in there and like just feel the super soft powdery feeling. That's what it feels like. Be sure and check out her Etsy shop in the info box down below. I will have it linked. Yeah, that is it for today. Just wanted to come to this really quick unboxing with you guys because it's been a long time, and I've been seeing in the comments y'all have been requesting me to do more Reborn unboxings, and oh my god, you guys, I have a new creepy Halloween baby, and that is the one, that's the video that's gonna go up next. I have in fact already unboxed it, but I'm still just like editing that video, but oh my god. So if you've been missing the Reborn unboxings, they are coming back. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon.